Meetup. 2 meetups.
That was 3.
2. Oh, 2. Can't see me. 2 meetups, 2 videos in one. 2 group rides in one video. Let's go. Come on. Let's go for a ride. Get it, boy. There you go. Eyes right. There you go. Looking good, man. Yeah. Get it. There she is. All the bikes, they went for a ride this morning. We're going to do the second ride. We had a really good ride. Hypothetically, possibly, there was some, allegedly, there was a couple of Mustangs that didn't want none of this smoke. Good chickens before a ride. You gotta eat your chickens before a ride. Fact. What is that? You can't eat your pudding until you eat your meat? What is that? What?
Something like that.
Can't eat a pudding until you eat your meat.
You guys ready? Let's do the raffle. Come on, guys. You see all the stuff we have? It's amazing. We have Motivita donated a few things. We donated a bunch, so we'll us a few as well.
So close. I need to pick out my glasses that I won.
That you just won. All right.
Yeah.
So you won first, so you get to pick first. We're on that side over there.
She wins the raffle.
Yes.
Some
Get
brand
with
new
Oscar.
rare glasses. Pick out some cool ones. They look cool on you.
What do you think? I could dark.
We have these too, by the way.
Is there a mirror?
Yes.
Look at the one. You know what looks cool? They would look really good on you.
Which one?
Be quiet.
I didn't say anything.
Those look really cool. I like those right there.
Look, we have these
Seriously.
too, by the way. And then there's a mirror right there in the little changing room.
Yeah, try those on. I think those look
These
good.
actually remind me of my old glasses.
Yeah, I like those a lot. Oh yes, those are the
Oh,
ones.
yeah, you want to go look in the mirror? They look
Yeah.
good. Those
Maybe
look
I should try it. Let me try those on me too.
Here. I mean, you can try them on too. Oh yeah.
Those are cool.
That's what I'm talking about.
Looking
Lucky
good.
raffle ticket. I always be winning things.
That was me.
Honestly, I've never won a thing in my life.
I always
And
win.
every time I do win, like at the casino, I throw $100 chip on that roulette.
Yeah, right?
I put it on red.
Those are cool.
It's black.
Well, that's cool. It's like metal Ducati posters. That'll look good in the garage. It's like it's metal.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Oh, what's up? You ride?
You want some of this? You don't want none of this. You want some of this? You really want some of this? You can't because you're my son. Look at the little birds. You want some of this? Stop. Quit. Oh, you want to hold my hand? I didn't throw that fight. Not me. No, 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 no. Girl right there, smoking. About to go for a ride. know that Florida has mountains? Well, it does. And we're gonna take a ride to the mountains. Come along, let's go. Time for a little group ride with all the boys and girls. Really good showing. Really good show. That thing sounds sick. All kinds of beautiful bikes out here. That's what I'm talking about. And we got Brett's BMW. Got some Monsters. Street Fighters at 1099S. A whole bunch of nice ones. Some Indians. Busa. Busa. Very cool. We're going to some German bakery that I have not been to, and some untouched roads for me. And I hear they're pretty nice for Central Florida. Let's rock and roll. These group rides are a good time. Man, look at that big fatty in the back of that. That's a nice wheel, look at that. December 15th, we're gonna have a toy drive at Advent Health here in Orlando for the kids battling cancer. Hopefully put a smile on their faces. We'll all pull up and maybe I'll tell them my story, huh? I've been here for over 20 years, living in Central Florida. And I have not been on this particular route or road. It's really cool, you know, that's why you get into these group rides and you got guys who've been around for a while in different areas of where you live, and you get to go check out some new roads you had no idea were around. I tell you what, these Street Fighters are some pretty cool bikes. It just feels different for me. I've had sport bikes all my life, and I feel like I sit so upright. But that VS2 naked, that was a really, really good looking bike. Oh, this gets me in the mood for another track day. We're definitely going to do Homestead. Brett and I are going to head down south for sure the second week of January. Go to Homestead. It's a little bit more controlled environment. We'll be able to ride with the groups. It's a little different than the Florida. There's a track called Jennings in Florida, North Florida, but you get kind of like thrown right into the pack. I want Brett's first track day to be organized. And Jennings is a little shorter of a track. It's a nice track, but for bigger bikes. That's where we were talking about throwing around the idea of getting a 600, a used 600 and dedicate it as a track bike, and maybe have Shanna, take it for a spin here and there. I think that's a good idea. For her, I think a 300 or 400 would be awesome, but I really don't think she's gonna like riding in the street. So I think the idea might be to get like a used 600 or 750. Maybe do a little build on it, What do you think? And then just thrash it. I mean, we have that. We go out there and have a good time on it. Talking about this ride, this is pretty cool because I think I know where we're going now. I think we're probably going up by Mount Dora. See? Mount Dora. We're in the mountains. Hey, all you guys commenting, I do appreciate that a lot, by the way. I try to respond to every single comment I get. And I really do appreciate you guys watching and commenting. Hit that subscribe button, smash it, hit that notification bell, so you know when I'm going to post another one. And give me some ideas. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I'll tell you another thing about joining a group like this. This is the Central Florida group, Ducati guys and gals. It's been a while since I've done this, and it's really cool. Especially when it's going, you do things for a good cause, like the like the toy drive for the kids. But you meet new friends, you meet new people, you network a lot. This has been a really, really good, pleasant ride. Good group of people. And I believe we arrived. Very cool. Yalaha Bakery. I see ya. God, man, that's the son with his ninja. Awesome. I don't know about going up in the grass. Although this isn't bad footage though. Well, be careful on this shit, dude. You're dropping shit. Very cool place. Yalaha Bakery. Yalaha. It's a really cool place. We have some live music. Just rode here with the Orlando, Central Florida Ducati group. Oh, all these bikes, unbelievable. That is a beauty right there. Awesome. Brett's rig with the 360, the V4. Got some outside seat, live music again. That was a cool little ride with the Central Florida Ducati Club. But awesome ride, awesome place, great people. Thanks for watching, guys. And
Just say thanks for watching.
there, you do the outro.
Thanks for watching.
What else?
Be sure to like and subscribe
What else?
and leave a comment. A good one.
Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.